Welcome back to the School of Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. Chef Kim here with Chef Eli, and today we're starting the day off strong with a flavor-packed handheld, the sweet and sour turkey breakfast wrap. This one features thick sliced butterball turkey breast steak, scrambled eggs, sweet peppers, onions, and Kikkoman sweet and sour sauce, all wrapped in a warm Don Pancho tortilla. This recipe is bold, fast, and perfect for breakfast on the go. Chef Eli, you ready to get to work?
Let's do it.
Let's go. And that's your sweet and sour turkey breakfast wrap. Quick, warm, and full of bold morning flavor. It's a fun way to bring variety to breakfast without adding prep stress. Each wrap provides 1 3/4 ounce meat alternate, 2 ounce grain, and a 1/4 cup other vegetable. You'll find this recipe in the Healthy Pro System, recipe number 1787416. Thanks for joining us at the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. Catch you next time.